Did you happen to receive a lot of notifications from Get Apps on Redmi Note 15? Let me show you how to disable it. Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan and here is the Redmi Note 15 and in this video I will show you how to disable spam notifications on this phone. So if you receive a lot of notifications from Get Apps like this or maybe from other apps, you can disable it. For that, just go on your phone to settings and here search for notifications and here there are notifications and status bar and here tap on app notifications. Okay, and here just disable all that notifications that you don't know it, like get apps, also app valued. You can disable, for example, I don't know, maybe music if you don't use it, personal safety or other apps. And that's all. And you won't receive anymore that kind of notifications. So I hope this video to be useful for you and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.